So now let's see how we can insert and work with column chart inside of Google Slides. So in order to work with column chart, I'm going to click on Insert and then I'm going to go to Chart right here. So here the second option is column. So once I click on this, what happens is that the column chart will get inserted over here. So this is similar to bar chart where the bar chart is from the left but column chart is from bottom up. So in order to change out the value of the chart, I can go over here onto the link chart options and then I can open source. And over here, we can see that it opens up the chart in Google Slides now, and I can go ahead and change the value. So over here, I'm just going to change the value. Let's say, for example, Xbox, and this is going to be, let's say, for example, Wii, and this is going to be, let's say, for example, PlayStation, just like this. I'm just going to go around and delete this, and this is going to be a price, and this is going to be, let's say, 500, and this is going to be 300, and this is going to be 600. All right, so just like this, I can just go around, change the value. I'm just going to delete this out, delete this column out. And over here, I'm just going to say price points, just like this. And what I can do is I can select this, I can go around on, double click on this to get the chart editor, and I can customize the chart style. So I can change around the background color right here, I can change around the border color, I can change around into maximize mode right here, and I can work around with different options. Let's say, for example, I can change around the color and so forth. So once I'm happy with the type of chart I have, I can go back into the Google Slides right here, and then since this is a linked object, I can hit the update button, and then the bar chart gets updated, as you can see right there. And that is how you can insert and work with bar chart inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.